Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we are going to teach you how you can enable the back button on your Android phone's display really quickly. So let's get started right away. So what you want to do, guys, is access your phone's settings here on your Androids. To do that, simply tap on settings here on your home screen. So what you want to do after that, guys, is look for a section in your Android phone settings called navigation bar. Now you may find that section under different names and different locations depending on the current phone type or model you're using and the Android version you're using. Now, as you can see, for my Android phone, it is located under navigation bar here. So tap on it. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply switch it on here to the right. And that's basically it. If I head back to my phone's home screen, you will see that the navigation bar, including the back button, is now being displayed at the very bottom of my display so that I may use it. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.